Today we're going to be doing page 113 in our Engineering Design and Graphics with SolidWorks 2016 workbook. And you see there's only three parts we're going to sketch today. And I will do project 2-2 because that looks the most complicated. These look pretty simple. So I'll go over this one. You can follow along. And then you'll have to complete P2-1 and P2-3 yourself. So page 113, let's go ahead and open SolidWorks. This is going to be in inches, right? And we can pick the top plane. That sounds good. All right, so let's go ahead. Top plane, sketch. Let's bring this down, and let's go with this. That looks good. All right, so let's go ahead and start right here. Let's start at the origin with this right here. This is in inches, so let's go with tools, options, document properties, units, inches, pounds, and seconds. Okay. All right, so we want our top plane. We want to do a sketch, and we're going to go up 0.53 inches and over 2 inches. So let's pick our line tool. We'll go this way 2 inches, then this way 0.53 inches. Let's smart dimension it right away. So this is 2IN, and then this is 0.53 IN. And I'm rolling my mouse to go in and out here. Just looking for a good place to situate this. I think this looks fine. All right, so now we're gonna come over this way and then down and then over. So let's go ahead and get our line tool. Click across and then back down and then over. Oh, that wasn't messed up. So let's edit undo. It's supposed to be a straight line. A nice horizontal line. I accidentally click like that. All right, let's put that there. All right, let's go ahead, get our smart dimension tool, and let's see what we have here for our dimensions. So this is 1.5, and this is also 1.5. So let's go ahead and smart dimension those. We can go up just a little bit. 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches. All right, so now our line tool. We have a line that's gonna come in something like that. And let's see what we have here for this line. All right, so we know what this line is 1 inch over. I'm trying to look and see. I don't know if I see any measurements for this one. So let's go over this measurements for this one over here. So let's go over here and do this line. No. All right, let's do that. And I don't want to do it like that. Make sure you don't connect it. See how this is? We don't want to do any of that. So we'll have it off. That looks good. All right, so we have these two lines, and then we have a straight line up, and then we go over. Oh, I just locked in with this one, which I don't believe I want to do. So let's edit, undo that. Edit, undo, sketch a line. All right, I want it to be horizontal. And it looks like it's okay. It's not locked in with anything. Then we come down here and then over there. All right. All right, so that's our outside shape. Now we just have to smart dimension stuff. Click check marks, smart dimension. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So we have from this point to this point, we have 1. So let's go ahead and do that. We go this point to this point. Want that to be 1 inch. All right, that's okay. And then from here to here is 1.6. So we click on this orange circle and that orange circle. And that was pretty close. 1.61? Yeah, we should have it right there. Okay, that's good. Or 1.61 inches. All right, and then we have from here to here is 2.5 inches. All right, so this point to that point is 2.5 inches. And then we have 4 inches from here to the top. And then this is 1.5 from here to here. All right, so 4 and 1.5. All right, so let's come back over here. All right, so from here to here, we don't want it sideways, right there, 1.5. All right, and this is 4 from the top to the bottom, so we go from here to here is 4 inches. Ooh, that messed up. Let's edit undo that last one. Edit undo. All right. So let's see. We got this is 1 and 1. So let's go ahead and do the smart dimensions there. So this is 1 inch. And this is 1 inch. And this is 2.5 inches. All right, 1 inch, 1 inch, 2.5. Oh, this one here is 4. Do that one. All right, so this one, I'll do it over here, is 4 inches. All right, and all right, so that's looking better. All right, so let's all right, so let's see if we got everything here. Here to here is 1 inch. Oh, from here to there is oh no, that's I'm sorry. The 2 inches for this square in the middle. All right, so I'm looking 1.61, 2.5, 4, 1.5, 2.5, 1, 1, 5.3, 2, 1.5, 1.5. So all these measurements are done. So now we want to put this this rectangle in the middle here. So let's go ahead and get our corner rectangle tool. And this looks like a good spot. Remember, I don't want any of these. I don't want to have any of these lines connected, these dashed lines, because it locks it in. So here's a good position. Go down and let go here is perfect because I didn't lock it in any other positions. So I got my corner rectangle. Now I'm going to smart dimension. I want this to be 1 inch. I want this to be 2.5 inches. IN. And then I want it to be 1.23. So I want this point and this point to be 1.23 inches. And then what else do I have here? All right, so I got 2.5 across. Seems oh, okay, here we go. We have 2 inches from here to here. Okay, so from this point to this line, I want that to be 2 inches. All right, so that's done. We have all that measurements. So now we just want to extrude it a thickness of 0.625 inches. So features, extrude boss base. 0.625 inches. Hit OK. And there you go. That is our shape. So file, save as. That is part 2-2. Project, it's project to P2-2, so I go part P2-2 or project 2-2, whatever you want to put. That works. All right, so now we have that saved. We go file, make drawing from part. We want our landscape. All right, so hit OK. I'm going to make this larger. All right, I'll take the current one. I could take any of these trimetric, isometric, bottom, top. But I'm going to do this one. And as always, I enjoy having it solid with the lines. I could use a custom scale. See, 1-to-1. Oh, that's great. Look how great that is. I could move it over a little bit, up a little bit, so it's more centered. Hit OK. Annotation, Annote. I'll type in my name. I can change the font size. I can change the font. I can make it bold. I can make it underline, italic. I can do all this fun stuff. I can center it. All right, so just leave it like that. It's fine. Hit OK. All right, then file, save. It says OK. Save it, and then file, print. We want to print to OneNote for Windows 10. Hit OK. Here we go. Handouts. Hit OK. It pops up here. This is part SB. Oh, that was it. It's this SP 2-2. This is part or page 113. There we go. P 2-2. So page 113. Page 113. P 2-2. All right, so there you go. There it is. And it's submitted. So now all you have to do, page 113, is do figure P2-1 and figure P2-3, submit those, and you'll be done with this. So good luck.